Yo guys, what is up? Trent from How To Haven here, back again with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the refresh rate on your computer monitor, and I'm going to be showing you how to do it for AMD. Do not have NVIDIA, so I can't show you that, but that's really simple. All you're going to do is go to your NVIDIA control panel and go to change resolution. But for you AMD guys out there, let's get into it. First thing you're going to do is right click on your desktop and you go to display settings. So now you want to choose your monitor. I have two. So you want to choose, you have to do this for both monitors. I'm going to start with number one. So basically you're going to choose your monitor and then you're going to go down and choose advanced display settings. And then you want to do display adapter properties for display 1, which is my BenQ Zowie. And then you want to click on that and it's going to open up this menu and you want to go to list all modes. And here you can choose all the modes. I actually don't have a 144 Hertz monitor, so I can't change that, and this is where that would really help you. But I'm going to just stand with this, what I have, and click OK. OK again. You have to hit apply if you actually change it, and then you can just go back, select your next monitor, and do that exact same thing. List all modes. And you can go down and change it. I'm going to change this. I didn't have it. Apply. Your screen might go black for a second, and you might have to confirm the changes. Keep changes. Okay. And then your computer screen refresh rate is set to that of your monitor. If this video helped you, please drop a like, leave a comment, or subscribe. Anything you can to help me out, I really appreciate it. Anyways, guys, have a good day. Peace.